Beautiful day everyone. This is Ambika, a student of PM Shri Kendri Vidyalaya Patratu, 12th Humanities. Today I am here to talk on a specific topic, that is career orientation and entrance exam. This topic has given me the opportunity to share my own life and the way my own specific stream has been influenced by the mentorship of my teacher, my history educator, Nancy ma'am. The way she had her influence in my own mindset, because although I was a topper of 10th class, a school topper with the highest marks, still I chose this specific stream, humanities. There is a misconception about this stream in the society. Even the family doubted my decision. Some point of my life, I was literally a little bit disturbed. I was in a disbelief that is this specific stream, humanities stream, is literally less living. But still, there was the entry of my history educator, my history teacher, Nancy ma'am. She taught us many things. Like, first of all, she built the confidence which was lacking in me. उन्होंने कहा कि it's okay, you have carved a different path. It's quite amazing. Everyone chooses the same path. Robert Frost की एक poem है, The Road Not Taken. So everybody chooses the path of science somewhere, either commerce, but history had a misconception. That's it clear. And she taught us कि किस तरीके से NCERT पढ़ना है as a मूल मंत्र. NCERT को मूल मंत्र because it is the base of all those the competitive exam that we will face. She taught us that there are number of career guidance, number of career opportunity that this subject holds in itself. And to be very honest, I'd like to tell you one more important thing. कि NCERT को किस तरीके से पढ़ना चाहिए line by line, the way you have to make your own school note and the way you have to prepare your own short notes, people sometimes just need the guidance. And I realized over time that humanities is not just a subject. It makes people as a human being. It brings the humanized quality in people. पहले chaos होती थी, पहले दिमाग grounded नहीं था. But now after going through the historical context, I understand that every single event have its own context. This history has taught me, and every context brings the clarity. And as soon as the clarity will flow in mind, people will start acting and reacting their subject in a very responsive manner. पहले reaction ज़्यादा होता था, अब respond होता है. Especially when it comes to the history, that subject holds the maximum potential. Why so? Why I'm just making this statement? I am preparing for the board. I am appearing this year for the board. But trust me, the way I have prepared throughout the year, by the guidance of my teacher, even the principal sir of R were from the humanities background. He was from the humanities background and he always made us grounded to the subject. He made us aware. Be the aware citizen, because when a people walk in a society, he or she walks with a different layer of identity. First of all, कि वो खुद में एक individual है. It makes us to realize and think in a philosophical manner. Why am I just talking about the subject? It literally brought changes in my personality too. Earlier, I had not this much stability in my thought, in my mindset. But now I have. I am aware about the different job and the opportunity that this subject holds. For example, it's quite famous for the civil services. Second one is mass media communication. Third one is archaeological department में जा सकते हैं. Yes, we can be a historian, we can be a researcher in our own subject. Fourth कि professor बन सकते हैं. Fifth LLB law के लिए. So there are numerous career opportunity जो ये subject hold करके रखती है. Now is the time, along with the doctor and engineer, we need the administrator too. एक ऐसा इंसान, एक ऐसी mindset जो honesty के साथ हो, जो खुद पे विश्वास करे, जो पूरे society को lead करे. I am a school captain of my own vidyalaya. Why? This subject had brought all those the qualities that I need. That I need to present my thought, that I need to be clear enough in front of the people, I need to be expressive enough, the stability that I have got. Because we are preparing ourselves for the future somewhere. किस तरीके से project work, we got even a project work that the student of graduation part 1 day make such project, but in 12th humanities Because of the ma'am, she guided us in such a manner that we prepared the very vast project upon the topic Bhakti and Sufi. Although this is a topic from our subject, but we have prepared well enough for this. So even after the society will doubt upon you, even after you will lack the parental support, but if you have choose this specific stream, you need to literally ignite your mind with the thought, with the word, with the motivation that you are gonna be administrator of the coming time, एक अधिकारी who will lead the entire mass section of the society. So खुद को पहले change करना होता है. This specific subject first of all brings the clarity, फिर शांति. As soon as the clarity and tranquility will flow in your personality, लोग खुद ब खुद as a student they start thinking upon out of the box. Out of the box, if you will start thinking, you will have your own career, different opportunities, your teacher guidance, they all mixes and brings a personality जो खुद पे विश्वास करे, जो बहुत क्लैरिटी के साथ, पेशेंस के साथ डेली काम करने में बिलीव करे. बिकॉज माई टीचर सेड कि एवरी सिंगल डे यू हैव टू गो थ्रू दिस. हिस्ट्री विल गिव यू द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ द पास्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड द सिनेरियो ऑफ द प्रेजेंट, बिकॉज इट मूव्स इन अ पैटर्न. हिस्ट्री मूव्स इन अ पैटर्न, टाइमलाइन चेंज होती है, स्टोरी चेंज होती है, लेकिन वो स्पेसिफिक पैटर्न वही रहती है. जियोग्राफी विल मेक यू अ लाइव ह्यूमन बीइंग. आप जीवित रहेंगे, आप सांस ले रहे होंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा किस तरीके की टोपोग्राफी है, किस तरीके से क्लाइमेटोलॉजी की बात चल रही है. If you are reading the economics, it teaches you the fiscal value, the monetary policy and the entire stratum of the economics. If you are going through a political science, it will teach you कि किस तरीके से इस globalized world में एक country दूसरे country से connected है, किस तरीके से different process and the national international relationship are evolving in today's world. As a way citizen, we need to read this, we need to understand this, because this country does not only require doctor, engineer, they also need an administrator, honest personality who will be the leader of mass people. जैसे गांधी जी, in that specific 20th century, the way he guided the entire country and the country got freedom. अभी के टाइम में भी देर आर मैनी चैलेंजेस दैट वी नीड टू बी फ्रीड. सबसे पहले तो इंसान खुद से फ्री होता है इस स्ट्रीम में. एक चैलेंज जो थॉट को कहीं ना कहीं क्राउडेड और क्लाउडेड बना रही होती है कि खुद के अंदर डिसबिलीफ आने लगता है इस स्ट्रीम को लेने के बाद. तो पहला चैलेंज कि खुद से लड़ना है, तो खुद से लड़ के आज़ादी पाने की बारी आई, तो वो टीचर की वजह से काफ़ी सही से हो गया. हिस्ट्री टीचर, इनफैक्ट हमारे प्रिंसिपल सर, वो भी इसी स्ट्रीम को बिलोंग करते हैं. ही ऑल्सो गाइडेड अस. तो पहले खुद से लड़ना, खुद के जीवन को एक दिशा देना, खुद में प्रिपेयर हो जाना, खुद को इंटायर तरीके से चेंज कर लेना, एक नया पर्सनालिटी बन जाना खुद में. दिस सब्जेक्ट टीचेस अस. तो हम सिर्फ पढ़ते नहीं हैं, हम जीते भी हैं इस सब्जेक्ट में. किस तरीके से जिया जाए, किस तरीके से काइंडनेस, द एक्ट ऑफ जेनरोसिटी, द एक्ट ऑफ बीइंग मैग्नानिमस इन द सोसाइटी, दिस सब्जेक्ट मेक्स यू अ वर्दी ह्यूमन बीइंग. So thank you very much ma'am. हम लोग टीम वर्क में काम किए. We face the different phase of our life with that clarity जो ये सब्जेक्ट लाती है. So I would say that we need teachers like her in today's world, in today's time, where students who are lacking confidence, they will understand their potential, they will understand, they will carve their path, they will go and rise in the world. So once again, thank you very much for everything, and I hope that this my own experience has influenced you too. Thank you very much.